DP Gloss Tire Gel is an easy-to-use, water-based tire dressing that applies smoothly without smearing, streaking, or slinging. Designed to provide an attractive shine while also protecting against UV rays and other damaging environmental contaminants. DP Gloss Tire Gel can be layered for additional shine without compromising effectiveness. First, clean the wheels and tires using DP Dual Action Tire and Wheel Cleaner. Apply a strip of DP Gloss Tire Gel onto a foam tire applicator and rub onto the tire surface. For more of a matte finish, buff the tire surface with a microfiber towel. Additional layers can be applied for added shine. Water-based formula that will not sling or smear and has a high gloss shine. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.